Making edits to your content on Curios is extremely fast and easy. Simply log in to studio.curios.com, click on the content that you want to edit, and you have access to any of the information that you need to edit. If you want to edit your project information, click Edit Project. You can change the title, the descriptions. If you need to edit anything on the individual collection, you can do the same. You can change the title. You can change the descriptions. You can also edit your pricing at any time. If you decide that you want to charge more or less for your item, you can do that with a few clicks. Additionally, for your preview files, you can add, remove, edit, reorganize, and do whatever is needed for your files. Editing your private files is just as easy. These are the files that are accessible only to people who have purchased or claimed your content. You can edit, remove, reorganize, and do whatever you need for this content. For anyone who has already purchased or claimed your content, they will automatically have their content be updated to the new content that you upload. Remember, at Curios, you are always in control. It is your content after all.